Hey guys, this is Alex for 4C Trading, and today I'm going to be talking about a little bit about Ethereum, right? So as I stated in the previous video, right, the Ethereum has broken out, and it's quite a clean break. It was actually retested this area double time, so we had a little trade down here on this area, and it actually gave us one profit target and then stopped us out even before moving up, right? Didn't really expect that it's gonna be testing the same area twice. I could have perhaps moved the stop loss a little bit less aggressively, but I didn't want to risk the profits that we've made, go to waste. Obviously, it's not optimal to miss a move like this, but you can't always win on every single trade. I mean, technically the trade is still win, it's just not as big as profit. Now this trade right now, when you have a structure like this, it's quite easy, right? I'm going to be playing continuation on this trend. So the reason I'm making this video for today, because I actually want to see for Ethereum to close above this level for like a day or two before I indulge into this trade, right? So I'm not going to be taking this, it's not going to be a trade that I'm going to be taking tonight or right? So by the time this video has been uploaded to YouTube, it should be safe to take this trade. So that is basically the plan behind it, right? I'm going to anticipate that it's going to stay up here and then it's going to retest this area and we're going to get a nice trade out of it, right? The stop loss in this case is going to be quite close, because we do not want to go under this area, right? We do not want to go any lower than this if we want a good bullish continuation, right? We don't want to be seeing anything price under this. Of course, if the price still goes down here, it can still retract and make another high. I'm not saying that it's not bullish if it goes under it, but for me it doesn't make sense to put stop loss any lower than this, because then I'm actually hurting my R a lot. And for the record, if the price gets down here, it's probably going to retest the low of this area again, which there's actually leaves us place for hold another trade on this manner, right? So in this case now I'm going to take the first profit target quite fast, right? I'm going to be taking it right here because we don't know how it's going to be with continuation. I'm not going to take same chances on Ethereum as I did on Matic, right? I'm going to play it a little bit more safer because it is on BitMEX as well, right? So you know how BitMEX is. Now, second time guessing, the first profit target is going to be, like I said, it's going to be aggressive. We're going to make the trade break even. The second profit target, I'm going to be aiming high, which is basically because I want to build on the original trade that we already had down there. We are just building on the position up here, right? And I want to aim it quite high, and it's going to be above like at like 600 or 580, something like that, right? It's going to be really high on the next profit target, and the reason for that is because I'm going to be using the same kind of technique. I'm going to be moving stop as this sort of a structure forms, but this time for this trade, if I get it on the first profit target, I won't be moving stop so aggressively as I did down here for me to get stopped out even, right? Because I'm not going to make that mistake again. So yeah, I'm going to be moving my stop as the structure will progress up to all the way up here, because I do think Ethereum is quite bullish right now. I have no means to expect a reversal right now. I mean, it did break kind of the main levels on the charts, so we have good chances of coming into that 500 to 600 area, right? And if I'm perhaps gonna get sideways before this TP, right, sideways like this, I'm probably going to close or take another TP sooner, right, just in case that I'm not throwing all that profit again. But then again, it depends where I'm gonna be able to put my stop loss. If my stop loss is gonna be close, then I won't be doing that. If my stop loss is gonna be far, then I will be indulging into that, right? It all depends on how the structure will form all the way to up here, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, right, to see the future videos, and we'll be seeing each other in the next one.